Hi, I am Elena Morgan from Future You Health. Doctors are shocked. Eating just one of these 7 foods daily cut knee pain by 40%, and it costs less than $2 a week. Doctors are shocked. Eating just one of these 7 foods daily cut knee pain by 40%, and it costs less than $2 a week. I'm Elena Morgan, and today I'll show you the exact foods that fight knee inflammation, backed by real science. Let's start with the superstar, salmon. Its omega-3 fatty acids directly reduce inflammation inside your knee joints. Harvard Medical School confirmed it. Omega-3s slow cartilage breakdown, protecting the cushion between your bones. Food number 2, blueberries. These tiny berries contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that block pain signals. One study showed berry consumption improved mobility in people with stiff, aching knees. Just a handful daily works. Number 3 is turmeric. Its active compound curcumin matches the power of some over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs. That's right, a common kitchen spice fights inflammation like medicine. Add black pepper to boost absorption by 2,000%. Number 4, spinach and kale. These leafy greens deliver vitamin K, essential for strong bones around your knee. Without enough vitamin K, your bones can't mineralize properly. That means weaker joints and more pain. Number 5, walnuts. They're packed with polyphenols that shield your cartilage from oxidative stress and damage. Number 6, strawberries. Like blueberries, they're loaded with anthocyanins, but they cost even less per serving. And number 7, flax seeds. A plant-based omega-3 source perfect if you don't eat fish. Sprinkle them on anything. Here's the key. You don't need all 7. Pick 2 or 3, eat them consistently, and your knees will respond. Your body rebuilds cartilage slowly. Give it the right fuel, and within weeks, you'll feel the difference. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips every week. Your knees deserve better, starting today.